How to sign out of the AOL Mail account. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily go ahead and log out of your AOL Mail account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up any web browser you have on your device. Right now I'm using Google Chrome. So you are just going to go ahead and tap on the address bar and search for AOL.com, or you can just search for AOL Mail and then tap on the first link that you see. And as you guys can see here, I am currently logged into my AOL Mail. So if you want to sign out of your AOL Mail because you want to log into another one, or you just want to sign out of your AOL Mail, then you'll just have to click on the top right corner on the AOL Mail and your name, and then here you'll find account overview, account security, favorites, and all of these, and right at the bottom you'll find the sign out option. So just click on sign out, and then you will be automatically signed out of your AOL Mail account. So that's pretty much it. If you want the browser to remember, click on yes, sign me out, or if you want to stay signed in, click on keep me signed in. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.